Want to keep your car running like new without spending a single penny at the mechanic? Ever feel like your mechanic knows something you don't, and you're paying the price for it? Because the truth is, most drivers are unknowingly damaging their cars every day, and mechanics are cashing in. I'm exposing 13 car maintenance secrets mechanics hope you never discover, because once you do, you'll avoid expensive breakdowns, extend your car's life, and save hundreds, even thousands, every single year. And tip number 9, it's so simple, it almost feels illegal to know. Let's jump in, because by the end of this video, you'll be smarter than most mechanics. 1. Regularly check your engine oil level. Let's start with a no-brainer. Engine oil. Most people are told to change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but what they don't tell you is how important it is to check your oil levels regularly. Many mechanics will tell you to wait until the oil light comes on, but by that time, damage could already be done. Low oil levels can lead to engine friction and overheating, which can severely damage the engine components. Checking the oil yourself every couple of weeks can help you avoid a major breakdown. You don't need to pay a mechanic to do it. You can do this yourself in just a few minutes. Remember, don't just check the oil levels, look at the oil color. Fresh oil is golden, and as it gets older, it turns dark brown or black. If the oil is black and gritty, it's time for a change, even if you haven't hit the mileage interval yet. Up next, a simple but effective trick to save your car's transmission. Most people ignore it, but it's a game changer. 2. Don't overload your car. Have you ever wondered why your car's transmission starts to act up after a few years? It could be because you're overloading your vehicle. Many people assume they can load up their car with everything they need for a trip, or haul heavy items around without consequences. But your car was only designed to handle a certain payload capacity. When you exceed that, you're putting unnecessary strain on your transmission and other vital components, like the suspension system. Over time, this can cause early wear on these parts, and fixing a transmission can cost you thousands of dollars. To avoid this, always check your car's owner manual for its weight limits, and avoid carrying heavy loads for long distances. It's a simple way to avoid costly repairs down the line. Now let's talk about tire maintenance. A little known tip that can double the life of your tires and save you big money. 3. Rotate your tires regularly. One of the easiest ways to prolong the life of your tires is to rotate them regularly. Most people forget to do this, thinking that as long as the tires look okay, they're fine. But here's the thing. If your tires are wearing unevenly, you're reducing their lifespan and performance. Tires wear differently based on whether they're positioned in the front or back, or on the left or right. Regularly rotating your tires ensures they wear evenly, which gives you better traction and can even improve your fuel efficiency. Rotating your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, or as recommended by your car manufacturer, will ensure you're not prematurely replacing them. That can save you hundreds of dollars over the years. Let's move on to fuel system maintenance. This simple task could boost your gas mileage and prevent expensive repairs. 4. Clean your fuel injectors. Your car's fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel to the engine. Over time, they can get clogged with carbon deposits, which leads to poor fuel efficiency and engine misfires. Most mechanics will tell you to replace the injectors when they get clogged, but what if you could clean them for a fraction of the cost? There are fuel injector cleaners you can buy and use yourself. They're cheap, easy to use, and can help restore your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Simply pour the cleaner into your gas tank, and the system will clean out the gunk as the fuel flows through the injectors. By cleaning your fuel injectors regularly, you can prevent costly repairs and save money on gas. It's an easy DIY fix that can make a big difference. Up next, we're talking about air filters, and how ignoring them could be costing you more than you think. Stay tuned. 5. Change your air filters. Here's another easy but often overlooked tip: changing your air filters. Your car's air filter prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine. Over time, they get clogged, which leads to poor airflow and reduced engine performance. A dirty air filter can make your engine work harder, which leads to lower fuel efficiency and reduced acceleration. Changing your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as recommended by your car's manual, is an inexpensive way to keep your engine running smoothly and save on gas. Replacing an air filter is a simple job that takes just a few minutes and can save you from costly engine repairs down the line. Let's move on to your car's belts and hoses. Most people don't think about them until it's too late, but regular checks can save you big money. 6. Inspect your belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are essential for your car's cooling system, steering, and air conditioning. If one of these breaks, it can lead to major problems and leave you stranded with a massive repair bill. Most people neglect to inspect their belts and hoses until something goes wrong, but the truth is, These parts should be checked regularly, at least every 6 months. Look for signs of wear and tear like cracks, fraying, or bulging. If you spot anything, replace it before it causes a breakdown. Taking this small preventative step can save you from having to replace expensive components like the water pump or alternator, which can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Next up, we'll talk about keeping your battery in top shape, a simple trick that can avoid emergency jumps and costly replacements. 7. Clean and check your battery regularly. Your car's battery powers everything from starting your engine to running electronics. A clean, well-maintained battery will last longer and perform better. Here's the secret that most mechanics won't tell you. Battery terminals need to be cleaned regularly to prevent corrosion. Corrosion on the battery terminals can lead to poor performance, difficulty starting your car, or even an unexpected dead battery. Cleaning the terminals with a battery terminal cleaner and checking for corrosion every few months can save you from having to replace the entire battery prematurely. A simple cleaning could extend the life of your battery by years, saving you hundreds of dollars on replacement costs. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect of your car's exhaust system. Ignoring this can cause some serious damage, but we've got an easy fix for you. 8. Maintain your exhaust system. Your car's exhaust system is responsible for filtering harmful gases from your engine and keeping your car running efficiently. Over time, exhaust parts can rust, corrode, or become clogged, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and even engine failure. Check your exhaust system regularly for signs of leaks, rust, or holes, especially around the muffler, catalytic converter, and exhaust pipe. These repairs can be expensive, but if you catch a small issue early, you can avoid costly replacements. Regular maintenance and cleaning are key. Maintaining your exhaust system will ensure your car runs cleaner, smoother, and more efficiently, saving you from costly repairs down the line. Now let's move on to brake maintenance. You'll be shocked at how a little attention here can prevent major repair costs later. 9. Inspect and replace brake pads early. Brakes are one of the most important safety features of your car, and maintaining them is crucial for avoiding dangerous situations. The secret to saving money here is replacing your brake pads before they become too worn down. When brake pads wear too thin, they can damage the rotors, leading to a much more expensive repair job. Regularly checking and replacing your brake pads every 20,000 to 25,000 miles can prevent rotor damage, saving you hundreds of dollars in repairs. Replacing brake pads is a simple, inexpensive maintenance task that can extend the life of your braking system and ensure your car stops safely. Let's talk about your car's alignment and how simple maintenance can save you money on tire replacements. 10. Keep your wheels aligned. Wheel alignment plays a huge role in your car's handling and tire life. Poor alignment can cause uneven tire wear, which leads to the need for premature tire replacements. If you notice your car pulling to one side or feel vibrations when you drive, it's time for an alignment check. By getting your alignment checked every 12,000 miles or after hitting a curb or pothole, you can save a lot of money on tire replacements. Proper alignment also improves fuel efficiency and steering performance. Wheel alignment is a relatively inexpensive service that can save you hundreds on tire replacement costs. Finally, let's talk about regular maintenance, how staying on top of it can prevent those expensive, unexpected repairs. 11. Stay on top of regular maintenance. One of the best ways to save money on car repairs is to stay on top of regular maintenance. Many car owners think they can skip maintenance, especially when everything seems to be running smoothly. However, ignoring regular checkups and minor issues can lead to larger, more expensive repairs down the road. Regular maintenance involves not just oil changes, but also tasks like checking fluid levels, inspecting the brakes, and replacing filters. By maintaining a consistent maintenance schedule, you prevent minor issues from snowballing into costly problems. For instance, neglecting a small coolant leak could eventually lead to an overheating engine, which might require a complete engine replacement. Additionally, some car manufacturers offer maintenance packages that include periodic checkups and oil changes. These packages can be a good way to stay on track without missing anything important. Even if you don't opt for a package, simply setting reminders for these checks will help keep your car in great shape. 12. Regularly replace the cabin air filter. Here's a tip most people overlook: the cabin air filter. This filter is responsible for ensuring that the air you breathe inside your car is clean. If the filter becomes clogged with dirt, dust, and debris, it can cause poor airflow, leading to the air conditioning or heating system working harder than necessary. This puts additional strain on your system and reduces its efficiency. A dirty cabin air filter can also cause bad odors inside the car, reduce air quality, and in some cases, damage the blower motor. You don't want to breathe in that stale air, do you? To keep your car smelling fresh and your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system running smoothly, replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as specified by your car's manual. It's a quick, inexpensive fix that improves both the health and comfort of your ride. 13. Inspect and maintain the timing belt. Last but definitely not least, the timing belt. This is one of those components that can cause catastrophic engine damage if it fails. The timing belt keeps your engine's valves and pistons synchronized, allowing everything to operate smoothly. If the timing belt snaps or gets worn out, it can cause the engine's internal components to collide, leading to expensive engine damage. Many people don't realize how critical the timing belt is until it's too late. While timing belts don't need to be replaced as frequently as oil or air filters, they must be checked regularly. Typically, they should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle's make and model. Replacing the timing belt at the recommended intervals can save you thousands on engine repairs. It's a small price to pay to avoid a major disaster. Let's recap these 13 car maintenance tips that can save you thousands. 1. Check engine oil levels regularly. 2. Avoid overloading your car. 3. Rotate tires regularly. 4. Clean your fuel injectors. 5. Replace air and cabin filters. 6. Inspect belts and hoses. 7. Clean and check your battery. 8. Maintain exhaust system. 9. Replace brake pads early. 10. Keep your wheels aligned. 11th. Stay on top of regular maintenance. 12. Regularly check and replace the cabin air filter. 13. Inspect and maintain the timing belt. So now you know what most mechanics won't tell you. 13 simple tips that can keep your car running like new, avoid costly repairs, and save a ton of money in the long run. If you learned even one thing that could save you money, smash that like button. It tells us you want more no-nonsense car advice. Got a car tip of your own, or ever been scammed at a shop? Drop it in the comments. Your story might help someone else dodge a costly mistake. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm revealing mechanics hate these 7 car hacks that actually save your money. You don't want to miss that. Until then, drive smart, spend less, and take control under the hood.